I made the video request post on my community and I got a lot of answers and also a lot of recipe requests. So number one recipe request for the week is Vicky's Corner's OFADA sauce video. Yes, Vicky's Corner, this video is for you. Don't forget to check out Vicky's Corner's channel. Support her, show her some love, and tell her you're coming from Delicious Army. OFADA, or otherwise known as AYAMASHE sauce, or also otherwise known as green stew, is a traditional Nigerian Yoruba sauce that is so delicious, and I'll be showing you one of my many methods of making this beautiful recipe. First of all, we use cow offals. I prefer using cow offals because it gives me that very authentic OFADA taste and flavor. Next is our bell peppers, our green bell peppers, our green scotch bonnet peppers. I couldn't find green tomatoes, but I love to add green tomatoes to this recipe, and also onions. Yes, I'm blending the green bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, and onions together because I do not want to see onions when I'm eating the stew. But if you don't mind, feel free to, fry your onions in your oil instead of blending them together with your pepper mix. For this recipe, we'll also be needing some pomo. Let me know what you call this in the comment section. I call it pomo. At times I call it kanda. Let me know what you call this in the comment section. We'll also be needing some crayfish. If you have some catfish fillets, you can add them. And also some iru, otherwise known as locust beans, and also some fresh eggs. I'll be boiling these eggs to perfection. And don't forget our roughly blended green pepper mix. Ooh, deliciousness. I cut up my kanda in bit sizes so that I can easily incorporate them with other proteins in the pot. Kindly note that I will cook this till they are soft, and that's because I want to enjoy this meal to the fullest, and I don't want to end up eating very hard pomo while enjoying this recipe. For seasoning my beef offals, I'm going very traditional, just onions, salt and beef seasoning, and that's because I want to retain the local taste of this recipe. Don't forget to like this video. Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video with your friends and families? Have you dropped your comments in the comment section? What are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel also and be a part of this beautiful family. In another video, I will be showing you how to successfully and safely bleach the best palm oil in the comfort of your home. Just like I said earlier, if you don't mind seeing onions in this recipe, this is the time to fry your onions. Same with your iru, otherwise known as locust beans. And your crayfish mix. Yes, just fry this to they release their flavors and aromas. Before going in with your bell peppers, stir this to make sure that all the ingredients are properly incorporated before going in with your offals, your palmoil, your egg, everything, all the rishi you want to add to this recipe. This is the time to add it before turning in your beef stock, so that the palmoil, the AYAMASHE, everything will become friends and get to know each other better. I served mine with hot rice, and trust me guys, delicious as usual. Thank you so much for watching. Keep showing love, keep being the best version of yourself. Till we see on Wednesday on my live stream. Keep being blessed, keep doing good. God bless you all.